Can you really use GetResponse for affiliate marketing? Let's dive right in and find out if it's the right tool for you, and stick around until the end because I'll be recommending an even better option for your affiliate marketing needs. First up, GetResponse is a popular marketing automation tool known for email campaigns and funnels. But does it stack up when it comes to affiliate marketing? Let's break it down. One thing you'll love about GetResponse is its email marketing features. It's built to create and manage email lists, which is crucial for affiliate marketers looking to nurture leads. You can send out newsletters, promotions, and drip email campaigns that really connect with your audience. However, while the tool is decent, the customization can feel a bit basic at times, especially if you're looking for advanced templates or features. Next thing, GetResponse comes with an autoresponder, which is great for affiliate marketers who want to set up automated follow-up sequences. You can start by offering a free lead magnet, then nurture that lead with a series of emails that promote your affiliate products. But here's the catch: GetResponse's autoresponder is not as flexible as other platforms. There are some restrictions with trigger-based actions that could limit your creativity. Moving on to the third thing, landing pages. This is key for affiliate marketers. GetResponse offers a drag-and-drop builder, making it easy to create basic landing pages to capture leads. But the designs are a bit limited compared to what some competitors offer. If you're looking for more professional and eye-catching designs, you might feel like you're compromising here. The fourth thing to mention is GetResponse's affiliate program itself. If you want to use the platform to make money, GetResponse does have an affiliate program where you can earn commissions by recommending the software. But it's a little tough to stand out with so many other affiliates pushing the same offers. The commissions are solid, but there are better opportunities out there. Finally, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers various plans depending on the number of subscribers you have. While it's affordable for beginners, it can get pricey as your list grows, especially if you need more advanced features like webinar hosting or marketing automation workflows. If you're serious about scaling your affiliate business, this could be a big factor to consider. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what's the better option. Stick with me till the end, because I've got a recommendation that might be just what you need. While GetResponse does the job, for affiliate marketing specifically, I'd suggest checking out Competitor's Name. It provides far more flexibility with its email automations, offers better templates, and integrates seamlessly with a wide range of affiliate marketing tools. But here's the best part: through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with Competitor's Name, along with some benefits that you won't find elsewhere. This means you can get started risk-free and explore all the features to see if it's right for your affiliate marketing goals. So, if you're serious about affiliate marketing, consider giving Competitor's Name a try with the best free trial out there. Trust me, you won't regret it.